Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iva. So if you hear my daughter in the background, that's Hazel. What's up, Hazel? Today I'm doing an exciting opening for you guys. I am opening up something I bought myself. I wanted to treat myself, so I can't wait to see what I got. And then I did get myself something small from Chanel too, like I'm talking like a hand lotion, but I will show you. If you like these videos, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And let's get into this. So this is what she comes in. I did get my, I got myself like the Agenda MM. I've been wanting it for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and, I've been waiting so long to open this. I haven't even opened it to make sure it was good. So I love this. There's nothing better than like taking this ribbon off. She's beautiful. I didn't even open it yet and I can't wait. Okay, so this is what it comes in, a little dust bag. So I went ahead and got this for myself. I've been wanting her for a while and I'm so excited that I get to finally open it. And I know I'm basic for wanting it, but I wanted it and I got it, and she is mine. My sales associate, I think her name is Gia. She is really nice actually. So when I texted her and she let me know they had it, communication's been great, customer service has been great. She's very friendly. And she hooked it up with a lot of, like, look how cute this baby bag is for a second. I was thinking, off topic, my brain is so like the wind blew, but this is so cute. I was thinking I could get like a little clear bag and make this like a little purse for my daughter, for Layla. I think Layla would love it, and it's pretty. But so she just hooked it up with a lot of like perfume samples she was looking out. I did give some away to like my mom, a few, just so she could try them out. And I did get some away to some friends just because I was like, why not? I would be happy if somebody gave me like just a sample of it. So yep, thank you Gia for looking out. Okay, so then I got myself this. What I'm about to show you guys, don't be jealous, okay? It's small, but to me, I just wanted it. I like to kind of treat myself. I work hard. I try to put all my kids and like my husband, everybody ahead of me, so I like wanted to treat myself. And so the next thing I got was these Chanel face, like they're just like cotton. I don't know how else to explain it, but I like to take my makeup off with these or put a toner and like when I'm doing my skincare, and I want it to be bougie, so I like it. And then I got myself another little thing with packaging, and it's just the hand cream. I'm gonna try to, I don't want to ruin the bow. Got myself the little hand cream. It's supposed to be like anti-aging. And then I wanted to get the Dior lip oil, and I wanted to get the Chanel lip gloss, but they were sold out. Chanel was sold out of the lip gloss I wanted, and Dior was sold out of the lip oil, so I'm probably gonna be ordering those online. But that's everything that I got. I just wanted to share me opening it with you. I'm so happy about this. I paid like $700. I want to say it was $700. It says right here $675. So I think with taxes it was like 7 something. I don't know, it was cash. But I'm so happy I'm able to add this to my collection just because I know they sell out. And like I said, I enjoy writing everything down. I enjoy writing down like what I'm going to cook for the week, or when my doctor's appointments for my kids, or when I went to the gym, when my period started, you know, just basic things like that. So okay, if you enjoy watching these kinds of videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.